Hello everyone, welcome to your 6th HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you some of the important formatting methods. So for instance, let's remove this font size. I like the background, so we will be keeping it. So let's remove this too. Okay, let's remove this too. This guy goes, this guy goes. So everything is now equal, so we can just check. Let us check. Refresh. Yeah, we're back to where we were. So let's do some h1 formatting. We have h1. Let's put this guy inside the h1 tag. It's a predefined tag in HTML, and what it does is you have saved. Of course, you know how to save. Ctrl S. Save. Then we'll go and check it out. By default, HTML has a specific size for h1 tags. I seen it. And let's do a h2 tag on this one. h2 tag. We'll create a h2 tag. h2. H stands for heading. So we have heading 1 tag, heading 2 tag, and that's it. Oops. Okay, we refresh. Heading 2 tag. Which already explains to you, if you're using CodeLofter, just use Ctrl D to duplicate the line. Increase the speed. Otherwise, I'll just copy and paste and change these guys to 3. So we have h3 tag, everyone, h3. Okay, so we have h3 tag is smaller, so it continues like that till 7 or 8 or thereabout. So as you increase the number, the text becomes smaller and smaller. So they are just for headings. They are default for headings. It's important that you use h tags in your design, because the Google search engine constantly goes through the internet getting new content from websites. So Google bot comes to your website in the background and crawls your content. When it's crawling your content, it's these h tags that helps it know where is the title of this page. So in every page of your website, there should be at least only one. There should be only one h1 tag, only one. So when Googlebot comes to read your page, maybe you wrote an article here. Once it sees h1 tag, it knows that yes, this is the title of the article. Then this is a subtitle. This is a subtitle under the subtitle, and so on and so forth. So these guys are used for title, subtitle, subtitle, and so on and so forth. So, but then there should always be only one. Then you can repeat any of this, as many as you like. Alright, this does it for tags, but there are other things we could do, other nice tags. That's heading tag. What if we have a body of text that does nothing really, but then there is a lot of text. We can put it in a paragraph. Alright, divs are used to collect blocks of code or blocks of text or anything. So if you are doing something and you feel some things should be together, you use div to group them. So I've used div to group this. I can use div to group this too. So I can say all the top of my site should be in one div, the middle content should be in another div, all my forms should be in another div. So if you are designing your website, you have so many divs, so many things, blocks of content, groups. So I've just put this one, everything in one div. Let us refresh and see. Okay, all these guys are in one div, then these guys in one div. If we go back, we can do something interesting here. We can put this guy in a paragraph. Sometimes you are building a site where people will paste articles or write about us page. Sometimes you just need to put it in a P tag. P stands for paragraph, and paragraph, arranges stuff. It's not evident here, but if we had the body of text, we could separate them into P tags, P tags, P tags, P tags, and they will automatically arrange each other in paragraph. The next thing we want to check is Actually, you can make a text bold. If you want to make a text bold, you could put it in B tag or in a strong tag. See what I have here? B tag. Let's go check. Refresh. This is bold. Alright, just to make things clear, I'll remove this. The heading tags, I'll remove them. This is bold, but then the rest of this is not bold. Another way to make things bold is to use strong. Alright, we have strong, and we have text in strong. We'll go there and we have bold here and strong here. As you can see, the same thing. The next thing we want to test is blink. There are some crazy stuffs that comes with HTML by default that you don't need to write any code for. Blink. Oops. Well, I'll find out why this didn't work. And but apart from that, there are other things you can do. For instance, we can make it italics. Italics is for I. Italics. So when we come here, we have italics. As you can see, does is in italics, and so on and so forth. There is M for important text. If we put M, that is EM for important text, and refresh. If we refresh, so it kind of places an emphasis on the text. The EM places emphasis on the text. Alright, so there are so many HTML formats, formatting tools or tags. You could Google and find them. There are so many interesting ones, so many. Alright, let's just see if we can get a review of the style we had. Let's see if we can change the color of this text to red. Okay, I've chosen red and something a little darker, and okay. So oops, we have color red. Color stands for text color. Background color stands for background color. So let's go check what we have here. Refresh. We have red, as you can see. So that's it for now. In the next video, we'll look at other very interesting things. Alright, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. youtube.com/c/brain10 then org. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.